Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, of course you're new to my channel because this is my first ever YouTube video, and I'm starting it with Nika's Pink Friday sale haul. So Nika Pink Friday sale just happened, but let me tell you something, it was both a blessing and a curse. I mean, my wallet, she's literally crying because it caused a huge hole in my pocket. And this sale was just too good to resist, and I ended up buying a lot of products which I've been eyeing since ages. So I think it's all worth it. And before that, we also have a lot of category lying around here like skincare, body care, and also lip products and makeup. So I think I'm going to go category wise. So let's not wait any more time and get into the video. And I also got something from the Lux category. So I have this Laneige cream skin toner. I've been wanting to try this for a really long time, but I also don't know if it'll suit my skin because you all know I get a big kick out of toners. I love toners. Next to sunscreen, toners is something that I would love to layer on my skin. And the next one is, oh my god, this one is my absolute favorite. I wanted to buy this for a really long time, and I just didn't have the heart to buy it for such big money, but I still wanted it. So I thought this sale was the right time to buy it. So I bought the Pixie by Petra's Glow Blush. I mean, I absolutely love it. It's such a pretty shade, and I'm so happy that I bought this. No regrets. So next, I think we should get started with the makeup category. So let's get started. The next one is from Elf Cosmetics, and Elf had a buy one get one offer going on, and I wanted to buy something that I would actually need. So I ended up buying two things, of course, which is for free. So I got this Elf Soft Glam Foundation. This one eventually gives you medium coverage, it is mentioned over here. So yeah, I wanted something like that for my daily wear, or if I'm going out, I wanted this. So as a free, I don't know which one came as free, to be honest. I have no idea. But yeah. So next one is this Elf Power Grip Primer. So this is something I had in my wish list for a really long time, and of course buy one get one. So I had to get this one. So I got it. This one is like a very little quantity. I was expecting a bit more. Quantity is bigger for the price that I'm paying. But yeah, so this is how it'll look. So next up we have Nika's newest launch, their super light skin tint. And guess what? The shade doesn't match me. I got the wrong shade. But who cares? I have two sisters, so it matches my elder sister's shade. So this is the shade. You can obviously see it doesn't match my skin tone. But it will match my elder sister's skin tone, so I'm giving this to her. Next up, we have Maybelline's Super Stay Lumi Matte Foundation. So this one beautifully blends into my skin. I've already tried it. I opened the package and I couldn't resist. I wanted to try this, and I ended up knowing that this is my shade. It blends beautifully. It gives such a beautiful smooth skin-like finish. I'm really loving it. So next up is like a restock because I already had this, but in a different shade, of course. It's Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Oh wait, we have one more left from K by Katrina. It's their Setting Loose Powder, HD Setting Loose Powder. And I actually had this and I lost in some hotel or something. I left it there itself. So this comes under kind of like a restock category again. So this is how it looks. Again, my same shade. So I lost it, so I got it again. Yeah. Only one product is left with this makeup category, and that is this Bioderma's Sensibio H2O micellar water. I'm sorry. I'm so used to saying cleansing balm and cleansing oil. I forgot. I'm sorry. So this one is like a micellar water. I used Garnier's micellar water for a really long time, and then I switched to using cleansing oil and cleansing balms for a really long time that I didn't even use micellar waters. But now, I actually got to know how necessary and good micellar waters are. So again, I bought this, and it's a Sensibio range. So I'm really looking forward to see how this one works. So I have like 5 products to show you guys. I think I'll just quickly show you what I have because all of them are new. I don't have anything to say about them. I'll also show you guys the swatches later in this video. So this time I think K Beauty kind of had a better, offers and sale going on. So I think I wanted to get something from that. So I ended up buying this K Beauty matte lipstick. So let's see how it looks. Okay, so this is how it looks, and I think it's so pretty. The packaging is so premium, and I really like it. So I think this is in the shade Treasure. It's like a very bright, red. We have Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink Lipstick in the shade Extra, and I wanted to try this product so badly because this one gives like a transfer proof gloss finish. So I'm not really a fan of gloss finish lipsticks, but this one was so raved by everyone on Instagram. So I wanted to give this a try. So next up we have something from this brand called DM Beauty, and I have 2 of their products. One is this glass tint lip balm in the shade Bronzite, and this lip and cheek tint of theirs in the shade Lover. This one's is so beautiful shade. I'll show you guys the swatch anyway. So yeah, I have these 2 products. Next up, we have something from Mars Cosmetics, and it's their lip gloss. This is how the packaging looks. It's, I think, in the shade Begum. I don't know, is the range called Begum or the shade called Begum, because it's mentioned Begum over here and also Begum right over here. Something from Nykaa Cosmetics is their lip glaze product, and I'm so excited to try. And also, it's in the shade Raspberry Ganache, and yeah, I'm excited. So I was so skeptical about buying this one, but I got this for like 300 rupees if I'm not wrong. Okay, we are done with the makeup category and we are moving on to skincare. And I have only like 2 or 3 products because I already have a lot of, skincare products lying around. So I just wanted what I actually want. So yeah, I think I have like 2 or 3 products in that category. So let's move on to it. And first up, I have this plum rice water, moisturizer. I've already used the plum rice water toner and I pretty liked it. So I wanted to give this one a try. So I think I bought this. And next up, we have something from Garnier. It's their Super UV Invisible Serum Sunscreen. This is like a very recent launch, and I wanted to try this. And they also have a sun spray, if I'm not wrong, but I wanted to buy this one. So, okay, I think I'll actually like this product and end up buying it more because it has like a really serum like consistency, and I think I'm going to like it. Ordinary's 10% niacinamide and 1% zinc serum. This was in such a pretty good price. I got it in pretty good pricing because originally this one cost is like, I think, 1100 or something like that. But this time I got it for like 600 rupees, and that too a 60 ml product. I got it for 600 rupees. So that was a pretty good steal according to me. We are moving on to body care products. So yeah, I have 2 of them with me, and one is a body wash and another one is a body lotion. And for body lotion, I got this Nykaa Wanderlust Jaipur Royal Pink, and this one smells amazing, super. Oh my god, I was so flattered. I'm not even exaggerating. I was super flattered with this smell. And I know you might be thinking it's not unpacked yet, and how, I know the smell. I tried this in Nika's offline store and I was so flattered by the smell. And I know the minute I tried it, this is the one that I want. And for body wash, I got the Dove's recent launch Glow Recharge with 3% vitamin C and some brightening serum in it. And I'm so excited to try this one. This is a new launch. I hope I like this one because I have a really, really high hope on this. So, yeah, my mom already likes that Dove moisturizing, product that comes in like 800 ml big one. She absolutely love it. So if this one works really well, I'm gonna recommend her to use this one also. So let's see. And that's not the end of this video because we have some freebies too. First up, I got this NYX's Soft Matte Lip Cream as a free because I think I got the Maybelline ones. That's why I got this one. And I got this full-sized lip crayon from K Beauty as a freebie. In the shade, what is the shade? Climax, in the shade Climax. Next up, we have Nika's mini metallic lipstick, matte lipstick. So it's a little, really too small. This is this is how it looks. So for the micellar water that I got from Bioderma, they have given me this Autoderm Cream Ultra as a freebie for me to try on. And that's it, you guys. And with that, we are coming to end of the video. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel because I think this is my year of YouTube with a lot of long form content, so you don't have to miss that. So I'm gonna be posting a lot related to skincare, makeup, and also some vlogs if I can in the future. So stay tuned for that also. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye bye.